Hello everyone and welcome back to the ranch. Today we're going to be planting some lemon ball sedum on our walkway right here by the pool deck. So let me set you up and see what we're doing. Okay, we've got them all in. And this is what the walkway looks like. And they're going to spread together and hopefully make this beautiful lime green area right here just stand out. We cut back all the grasses yesterday, the pampas grasses. I did not plant these here last year, so we'll see how they do. They'll get plenty of sunlight if the deer will stay away from them. Now we have one more cleyera, japonica to put in the ground. This is going to be our 10th. I think I showed these to you on my previous video. I've already put fertilizer in the holes. Here they all are lined up against the fence. I'm trying to make a privacy area with these cleyera, japonica. So when we're in here riding the horses, eventually we will have some privacy. And I've started a little border here with our stones. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to add some more filler flower in as well. But I'm going to try to do this all the way around the riding arena. There it is. Thank you so much for joining me here at the ranch today. And I hope I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.